Hello everyone and welcome to Shuri classes. I am your mentor Neeti. Today we are going to start our new series for CBSE class 10 for the subject Artificial Intelligence. And those who want to get the basic knowledge of artificial intelligence can also get benefit from these videos. Let's first discuss the syllabus. It's a total of 100 marks subject, 50 marks for theory and 50 for practical. In your theory exam, you will get 10 marks questions from employability skills. And as employability skills is common for all skill subjects, so we will create a separate playlist for that. And for rest 40 marks, questions will come from subject specific skills that we are going to cover in this playlist. From the first chapter, Introduction to AI, you will get 7 marks questions. So today we are going to cover the first topic of this chapter, that is what is intelligence. So without any delay, let's start the video. See, the word artificial intelligence is derived from two words, artificial and intelligence. Artificial means man-made, something which is not natural, something which is created by human being. And intelligence means the ability to think, to learn, to understand, to apply, right? And today we are going to focus on the word intelligence. Well, the definition of intelligence that I found in many books is that intelligence is the ability to perceive or infer information, to retain it as knowledge, to be applied towards adaptive behavior within an environment or context. It's a bit complicated, right? So let's try to simplify it. See, we human beings collect information and then retain that information in our brain as knowledge. Now, this knowledge develops our behavior, and then we apply this behavior to solve different problems in different situations. Means the information that we collect becomes our knowledge. From knowledge, the behavior is developed, and our behavior is applied to solve problems. So, if I summarize, the simplified definition of intelligence would be that intelligence is getting knowledge from our day-to-day experience and then use it to solve future problems, right? So I hope I'm clear till this point. Now comes the types of intelligence. All of us have 9 types of intelligences. Those are naturalist intelligence, interpersonal intelligence, intrapersonal intelligence, musical intelligence, mathematical logical intelligence, linguistic intelligence, spatial visual intelligence, bodily kinesthetic intelligence, and existential intelligence. We all have all these types of intelligence. The only difference is that someone is good in music, someone is good in maths, or someone is good in communication, someone has good interpersonal skills, maybe someone can have good intrapersonal skills. Means all of us have these 9 types of intelligence but at different levels, right? And now let us study them one by one. The first type of intelligence is mathematical logical intelligence. It's a person's ability to solve complex mathematical and logical problems. You must have seen some people are very good in maths and logics. They are able to solve very complex maths problems very easily. It means they have good mathematical logical intelligence. Here is the image of G.H. Hardy and Srinivasa Ramanujan, the famous mathematicians. They are known for their mathematical logical intelligence. Next comes linguistic intelligence. Means the ability of a person to understand language. It can be in written form or in verbal form. You must have noticed that some people learn languages very easily. Some are very good speakers. Some have very good writing skills. They can create stories, blogs, articles very easily. It's because they have good linguistic intelligence. Next comes spatial visual intelligence. It's the ability to perceive the visual things and to find relationship among them. Some people are good in drawing, some are good designers, some of us can solve visual mazes or puzzles very easily. Here, if you look at the screen, it's an image puzzle, right? And generally, we practice these types of puzzles for improving our spatial visual intelligence. And after this comes kinesthetic intelligence. This is related to manner in which we use our limbs. Well, those who have good kinesthetic intelligence can be good in sports, in dance, or in acting. If I talk about Usain Bolt, Cristiano Ronaldo, Virat Kohli, they all possess good kinesthetic intelligence. Musical intelligence means intelligence about music, understanding of sounds, rhythms, sound patterns. Well, these people can learn and create good music. Next comes interpersonal intelligence, means the ability to communicate with others, the ability to understand the feelings of others. Such people influence others very easily. You must have noticed that some people become friends very easily. They understand others' problems, they understand others' feelings, they sometimes are very good advisors. We generally get influenced by them very easily. Next comes intrapersonal intelligence. See, if a person is able to understand others' feelings, then it's interpersonal intelligence. But if a person is self aware about his own feelings, emotions, strengths, weaknesses, then it's intrapersonal intelligence. If I know what are my strong points, what are my weak points, then I have good intrapersonal intelligence. Existential intelligence means the ability to use intuitions. Such people are good philosophers. They can be good in yoga, spirituality, meditation. Well, they tackle questions like why we live, why we die. If I talk about Gautam Buddha, Dalai Lama, they are known for their existential intelligence, right? Last type of intelligence is naturalist intelligence. Means the ability of a person to understand nature, environment, like flowers, birds, animals, plants. If you have seen the movie Jumanji The Next Level, in that movie, every character has a specific type of intelligence. Remember the one who was zoologist? He was able to understand animals, means he had naturalist intelligence. So these were all 9 types of intelligence. And now comes the parameters of intelligence. The 3 parameters of intelligence are learning from experience, means when we learn new things from our regular experiences. Then comes recognizing issues and problems, when we are able to sense if there is any problem in any particular situation. And the third is solving problems, means we are able to solve the problems by using our knowledge and experience. Then come the components of intelligence. Components can be like a person's problem solving capability, reasoning capability, learning capability, perception capability, or it can be language capability. And if I say that I'm intelligent, means I have the ability to make decisions. I have the ability to prove the outcome. Means whatever decision I have made, I'm able to prove it. And also I have the ability to think logically. And I can learn new things to improve my knowledge, right? So this was all about today's topic. And here I have added a small worksheet about this topic in the description box. You can download it from there for further practice. In the next video, we will discuss about decision making. I hope this video was useful for you. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and bye-bye.